Today I'd like to describe a project called Measure the Noisy Signals. In details, our plan is to measure the automated light in a workshop with a fan by using light-dependent resistor. First, let me make a brief introduction of our project. The software we use is called Spider, whose companion language is Python. The hardware we use is a Arduino board. Meanwhile, we created a circuit on our own. The concept of our project is that there is a light-dependent resistor. The distance is a certain number. The light intensity is a certain number. At that time, the value of the LDR should be a wave, who is similar to a line. Then we add a fan here to create a noise. At that time, the value of the light-dependent resistor will be influenced by the noise. It will change. After that, we use IIR filter to filter the noisy part. If our IIR filter works properly, the noisy part should become a more smooth line. Now I'd like to describe our circuit. Our circuit consists of two elements: the light-independent resistor, a 20,000 ohm resistor. Both of them were connected to the Arduino board. There are 3 pin connectors. We use the 5 voltage pin, the ground pin, the A0 pin. The Arduino board was connected to our laptop to ensure we can use Spider to control the circuit.